How to download Castle Make and Play app on Android. What's up everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy way to download Castle Make and Play. If you guys didn't know, Castle Make and Play is a mobile application that enables its users to create and share their own games directly from their smartphones. And it also features a user-friendly editor that allows the creation of interactive digital art pieces, games, animations, and drawings without the need for coding. Users can share their creations with friends or the broader community, explore a vast library of user-generated content across various games, and engage with others through comments, reactions, and collaborations. So in order to install this application, you first need to find Play Store on your app. So go ahead and open up Play Store, and on the search bar, go ahead and search for Castle Make. Then you will find this application right here. Hit on the big blue install button and it will start downloading on it. Now once the application is fully downloaded, you will be able to start making art pieces, games, and different animations from this app. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next one.